Lots of you guys have the same problem as I do. You end up with loads of wood chips from your shop or from cutting up your wood for your fire. And I have a box that I fill up with wood chips. Sometimes I put a handful when I'm lighting the fire. But I'm just filling a box up, filling up a cardboard box with wood chips wedged tight into it just by hand, and seeing how it works. Not putting it directly in the middle of the fire, putting it to the side, so it's kind of burning the gases as it kind of turns to charcoal. Let's have a look. See, this is it here. You can see the outsides of the box. So it's actually doing quite well. I didn't think it would do so well. Maybe this is a good idea for everybody. A good way to use up your chips. Keep some old boxes, cardboard boxes, and fill them with wood chips. And there you go. Put it on instead of a log. May not burn as long as a log, but you will be producing heat. And what else are you going to do with the wood chips? Mama raised no fool.